السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Today, I'm gonna show you how can we teach the first 5 letters from Arabic alphabet. Let's start. Before starting anything, we should to say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, repeat after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. أحسنت ما شاء الله. These are Arabic alphabet. Repeat after me, please. ألف همزة باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاي سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون هاء واو ياء ياء أحسنت ما شاء الله. Very good. Okay, now we have two groups we will know today. The first group, Alif and Hamza. The second group is Ba, Ta, and Fa. Okay, let's go to the first group, Alif. Oh, this is Alif. Alif. How can we write down Alif? Let's go. Alif letter is standing up on the line properly. No dots, no curves. So sounds like one, number one. Okay. Now, how can we write down Alif? It's so easy. No dots above or below this line, just a line, and no curves like this. No, just standing up properly. Okay, just to try here. You can write down that. Ahsant, mashallah, very good. Big clapping for you. Okay, next letter. Its name is Hamza. Repeat after me. Hamza. Yes, that's good. Hamza. Okay. How can we write down Hamza? So easy. Hamza looks like incomplete circle with a small tail. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Incomplete circle with a small tail. Again, incomplete circle with a small tail. That's easy. Okay, just try here. Yes, incomplete circle with a small tail. Good, mashallah, you are so smart. Big clapping. Alhamdulillah, this is the first group. What about the second one? The second one, we have 3 letters. 1, 2, 3. Okay, is there any difference between them? Just think. Yes, great. The first one, it has 1 dot. The second one, it has 2 dots. The third one, it has 3 dots. Ahsant, mashallah, very good. Okay, what about the first one? This dot, in the bottom or in the top? Yes, the bottom, bottom. So this is ba. Remember, ba letter from bottom. Ba. Okay, how can we write down ba? It's so easy. Remember, 1 dot in the bottom, like this. 1 dot in the bottom. Ahsant, mashallah. Okay, the second letter. Oh, the second letter, it has 2 dots in the top, top. So this is, remember, this is, its name is ta, ta. Okay, how can we write down ta? It's so easy. Remember, two dots and the top, top, two dots and the top. Okay, the third letter, it has one, two, three dots. Yes, great. Three dots at the top. Three. From number three. Three. Keep your tongue out your teeth while you pronounce three. Okay, how can we write down this letter th? It's so easy. Th, it has three dots in the top. Remember, one, two, three, th. So the first letter is ba. Repeat after me, ba. The second one is ta. The third one is th. أحسنت, big clapping. أحسنت ما شاء الله. Okay, now we will do exercise. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, the first game is a bicycle. Try to find the letter ba. This is ba. One dot in the bottom. Remember, if this one is ba. No, I said one dot in the bottom. Yes, great, this one. أحسنت ما شاء الله. You are so smart. The second one, this shape. Oh, remember, try to think. Yes, incomplete circle with a small tail. This is Hamza. Yes, this one. أحسنت ما شاء الله. Very good. Hamza. Hamza. Okay, next. Oh, we have three dots on the top. Three. Three. This is th. Is that one? No, it has two dots here. Yes, great. This is th. Th, it has three dots in the top. Okay. Oh, this is like number one. So easy. Alif. Great. MashaAllah. Ahsan. This is Alif. Okay. Last one. Find the letter. Two dots in the top. Top. Ta. Yes, great. Ta. Is that one? No. Yes, great. This one. This is ta. أحسنت ما شاء الله. تا. Repeat after me. تا. Great. Okay. This is the first one. The second one. Are you ready? Let's go. This letter, its name is Alif. Yes, great. أحسنت. You got one star. MashaAllah. Okay. That one? Try to think. Remember? Yes, Hamza. أحسنت ما شاء الله. And that one dot in the bottom. Bottom. Yes, great. This is ba. أحسنت. And that one, two dots and the top. Ta. Yes, great. Remember that. And last one, three dots. Three. Tha. Keep your tongue out your teeth while you pronounce tha. Its name is tha. أحسنت ما شاء الله. Very good, MashaAllah. Okay. Alhamdulillah, I'm so happy today for teaching you the first five letters from our Arabic alphabet. Before we finish, inshallah, just repeat after me, inshallah, this dua. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.